In this video, I'll show you how you can deposit money into your HSBC account. So whether you're using the branch, ATM, or mobile app, for privacy and security reasons, I won't be able to show an actual deposit in a live account, but I'll make sure to explain it clearly so you can follow along easily. So first, there are three common ways to deposit money into your HSBC account. So the first one is visiting an HSBC branch or the physical branch. And the second one is using an HSBC ATM, and the last one is using the HSBC mobile banking app. So let's break it down real quick. So if you are visiting a branch, if you are going to deposit it through physical branch, visit your nearest branch and then fill out a deposit slip with your account number and amount. Hand it over to the teller along with your cash or check, and always double check the receipt they give you after. So now, if you are going to deposit at the ATM, so insert your debit card and enter your PIN, and then choose deposit from the menu, and then insert your cash or check when prompted, and then confirm the amount and keep your receipt for your records. Now, for the last option is, if you are going to deposit using your mobile banking app, just log in with your HSBC account and then tap on the deposit checks options if you are depositing a check. So snap clear photos of the front and back of the check as instructed and enter the amount and submit. So it is important that always make sure you're connected to a secure network, and then always confirm that your deposit was successful by checking your transaction history, because some deposits, especially checks, might take a 1 to 2 business days to clear, and that's how easy to deposit money into HSBC account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.